Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. This will be a very quick one with Chris Lebrón. Préstame, I think that translates into lend me. So we have this 4 chords just rolling in the same way through the entire song. And we're going to do that without any capo. So let's dive right into the chords. And we're going to start with the B minor. So B minor is a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom, not like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have D next. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, next chord will be the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And the final chord will be the G. And that will be 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Let's learn the strumming, and it's the popular down, up, clap, down. So if you grab the first chord, B minor, it will sound like this. So you start with 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So together, down, up, down. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. Alright, so what you're going to do now is basically to play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So B minor 2, D2, E minor 2, and G2, like this. B minor, D, E minor, and G. Alright guys, so another very easy song coming out from Go On Guitar. Give it a try if you like this kind of songs, and I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.